Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Vibiemme Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was having low flow coming out from the group head and this thing was actually falling off. So we glued this piece back into the tray itself. Let me see if I can take it out. There you go. We glued this little piece that you see right here, put it back together just exactly the way it was, and we also replaced the gasket of the machine. This one that you see right here. As you can see, it's already warped and is just not able to bounce back. It just cracks basically. So we had to replace that. We replaced also the shower screen. As you can see, there's a lot of coffee buildup. We scaled this machine and replaced the water pump of the machine as well. This one that you see right here from 2013. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test this machine out. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine, otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Pressure going all the way to 9 bars. To 11 bars. Probably tempered a bit too hot on this one. We're gonna adjust this to 9 bars as this is a little bit too high for the machine. So I'll be right back. Okay, perfect. Now let's redo the shot. Now going to 10 bars, which is a little bit on the finer side, but that's basically our grind. And as you can see, it's extracting much better. Nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Good crema forming at the top as well. And good color as well. You can see that deep brown color. You can see the crema forming. A good shot. The puck stay in the water filter as well, so it's perfectly adjusted for this machine. Nice flow coming out of the group head, as you can see. Excellent steam coming out of the machine as well, and this is for that. Hot water working great. And there you have it, we're going to be working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.